Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a leisurely stroll through the charming residential neighborhood of Surrey, BC, Canada. So, kick back, relax, and let's explore the picturesque streets and distinctive homes that make this community a hidden gem. But before we start our walk, let me share some interesting tidbits about Surrey. Did you know that Surrey is a thriving city located in the Greater Vancouver area? It's not just a suburb, it's a dynamic city with a character all its own. Now, let's dive into the heart of this neighborhood and discover what makes it so unique. As we amble through the streets of Surrey, take a moment to appreciate the distinct architectural style that defines this residential haven. The houses, each with its own character, contribute to the neighborhood's welcoming vibe. Surrey is known for its diverse housing options, ranging from cozy single-family homes to modern townhouses, providing a place for everyone to call home. Now, let's talk history. Surrey's roots date back to the late 19th century when it was established as an agricultural community. Over the years, it has evolved into a vibrant city with a mix of urban and suburban elements. Today, Surrey stands as one of the fastest-growing communities in Canada, attracting residents with its proximity to Vancouver and a wealth of amenities. Here's a fascinating fact. Surrey is home to the Surrey Nature Centre, a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The city is committed to preserving green spaces, and the Nature Center offers educational programs and a peaceful retreat for nature lovers. As we wander these well-kept streets, notice the community spirit that permeates the neighborhood. Residents often engage in local events and activities, fostering a strong sense of belonging. Surrey hosts various cultural festivals, celebrating its diverse population and creating a rich tapestry of traditions. Now, let's touch on the cleanliness and orderliness of the streets. Surrey takes pride in maintaining a clean and organized environment. The city's commitment to a high quality of life is reflected in well-maintained public spaces and infrastructure. Before we wrap up our walk, I want to express my appreciation for the warmth and tranquility that Surrey exudes. It's a place where suburban comfort meets urban convenience, offering a lifestyle that many find appealing. Surrey has gained popularity for several reasons, making it a sought-after destination for both residents and visitors. One of the key factors contributing to Surrey's popularity is its close proximity to Vancouver, one of Canada's major cities. Residents of Surrey enjoy easy access to the cultural, economic, and recreational offerings of Vancouver, making it an ideal suburban location. Surrey boasts a diverse range of housing options, accommodating various lifestyles and preferences. From traditional single-family homes to modern townhouses and condominiums, the city provides a wide array of choices for residents. The strong sense of community in Surrey sets it apart. Residents actively engage in local events, festivals, and community activities, fostering a close-knit atmosphere. This community spirit contributes to a welcoming environment for families and individuals alike. Surrey hosts numerous cultural festivals and events throughout the year, celebrating its diverse population. These festivities showcase the city's multicultural fabric, offering residents and visitors a chance to experience a variety of traditions and cuisines. Surrey takes pride in preserving its natural beauty, with an abundance of parks, green spaces, and nature reserves. The commitment to maintaining a clean and green environment enhances the overall quality of life and contributes to the city's appeal. The city is home to educational institutions, including Kwantlen Polytechnic University and Simon Fraser University's Surrey campus. Access to quality education is a significant draw for families considering Surrey as their home. Surrey is known for its cultural diversity, with a mix of ethnicities and backgrounds. This diversity is reflected in the culinary scene, where residents and visitors can explore a wide range of international cuisines. Surrey has experienced significant economic growth, attracting businesses and contributing to job opportunities. The city's thriving economy is a magnet for professionals seeking career development and entrepreneurial ventures. The city's commitment to maintaining clean, safe, and well-organized streets and infrastructure adds to its popularity. Surrey's aesthetic appeal and attention to urban planning contribute to a positive living experience. Surrey offers a variety of recreational and cultural facilities, including sports complexes, theaters, and community centers. These amenities cater to diverse interests and contribute to an active and engaged lifestyle. In essence, Surrey's popularity can be attributed to its strategic location, diverse housing options, strong sense of community, cultural vibrancy, commitment to green initiatives, and overall high quality of life. It continues to evolve as a dynamic and attractive destination in the Greater Vancouver area. As we say goodbye, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed our stroll through Surrey. And, of course, share your thoughts and comments below. Until next time, happy exploring.